Welcome to our channel, where we help you unlock your full potential and achieve your wildest dreams. Today, we're diving deep into the law of assumption and how it can help you manifest your desires like never before. Are you ready to discover the secret to unlocking abundance and success in all areas of your life? Buckle up and get ready to learn about the powerful tool that can transform your reality. In this video, we'll explain the concept of the law of assumption and provide practical tips on how to use it to achieve your goals. Don't miss out on this life-changing information. Hit that subscribe button and let's get started. The law of assumption is a powerful tool that can help you manifest your deepest desires and transform your life. But what exactly is the law of assumption? At its core, the law of assumption is a principle that states that your thoughts and beliefs create your reality. This means that whatever you believe to be true about yourself, your life, and the world around you will become your reality. If you believe that you're destined for success and abundance, then you will attract those things into your life. Conversely, if you believe that you're unworthy or undeserving, then you will manifest experiences that reinforce those beliefs. Understanding the law of assumption is critical if you want to create the life you truly desire. By becoming aware of your thoughts and beliefs and consciously choosing to shift them in a positive direction, you can begin to transform your reality. The law of assumption is not a magic formula or a quick fix, but rather a powerful tool that requires practice and dedication. When you master the law of assumption, you'll be able to manifest your desires with greater ease and speed, and you'll experience a profound sense of empowerment and fulfillment. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of the law of assumption and create the life you truly desire? Let's dive in. The law of assumption is a principle that has been around for centuries, and its roots can be traced back to ancient spiritual teachings. However, it's also supported by modern science and psychology, which shows that our thoughts and beliefs have a profound impact on our physical reality. Essentially, the law of assumption states that what we assume to be true becomes true for us, regardless of whether it's objectively true or not. This means that if you assume that you're capable, confident, and successful, then you'll act in ways that reinforce those assumptions, and eventually they'll become your reality. One of the key principles of the law of assumption is the idea that we create our own reality. This means that we're not just passive observers of the world around us, but active participants who shape our experiences through our thoughts and beliefs. When we understand and embrace this principle, we gain a sense of agency and control over our lives, and we're able to consciously choose the reality we want to create. So, if you're ready to take control of your reality and manifest your deepest desires, it's time to dive deeper into the law of assumption and discover its true power. The law of assumption may sound like a mystical concept, but it's actually supported by modern science, particularly in the field of quantum physics. According to quantum physics, everything in the universe is made up of energy, and our thoughts and beliefs have a direct impact on this energy. In other words, the way we perceive the world around us shapes our reality. When we believe that something is possible, we open ourselves up to the energy of that possibility, and it becomes more likely to manifest in our lives. On the other hand, when we believe that something is impossible or beyond our reach, we close ourselves off from that energy, and it becomes much harder to achieve. The science behind the law of assumption is not only fascinating, but it also provides a strong foundation for understanding the power of our thoughts and beliefs. When we recognize that our thoughts have a physical impact on the world around us, we're able to take greater responsibility for our reality and consciously choose to shape it in a positive direction. So, whether you're trying to manifest more abundance, love, or success, understanding the science behind the law of assumption is a crucial first step. By aligning your thoughts and beliefs with your desires, you can create a reality that is in alignment with your truest, highest self. One of the most powerful aspects of the law of assumption is its ability to help us break free from limiting beliefs and self-sabotaging patterns. We all have a set of beliefs that we've acquired over the course of our lives, and many of these beliefs are not serving us. These beliefs might include ideas such as, "I'm not good enough," or "I'll never be successful." When we hold on to these limiting beliefs, we create a reality that reflects them, and we remain stuck in the same patterns of behavior and thought. However, when we apply the law of assumption, we can challenge and shift these beliefs and create a new reality that is more aligned with our true desires. To apply the law of assumption to your own life, start by identifying the beliefs that are holding you back. Ask yourself, what do I believe to be true about myself and my life? Then examine each belief and ask yourself, is this belief serving me? Is it helping me create the life I truly desire? If the answer is no, then it's time to challenge and shift that belief. Replace it with a new, empowering belief that aligns with your desires. For example, if you believe that you're not good enough to succeed in your career, challenge that belief by affirming to yourself that you are talented, capable, and worthy of success. With practice, you can use the law of assumption to break free from limiting beliefs and create a reality that is more aligned with your true potential. The law of assumption is a powerful tool for manifestation. But it's important to understand that it's not a magic bullet. While it can help you create the reality you desire, it's not a guarantee that you'll manifest everything you want. The key to successful manifestation is aligning your thoughts and beliefs with your desires and then taking action to bring those desires into reality. This means that you need to be willing to do the work, take risks, and make changes in your life in order to manifest your deepest desires. One of the most important aspects of successful manifestation is maintaining a positive mindset. When you're working to manifest your desires, it's natural to encounter obstacles and setbacks along the way. However, it's important to remember that these challenges are not signs that your manifestation is impossible, but rather opportunities for growth and learning. By maintaining a positive mindset and staying focused on your desires, you can overcome these obstacles and continue moving towards your goals. So, if you're ready to manifest your deepest desires, remember to stay positive, stay focused, and keep taking action towards your dreams. The law of assumption is not just about manifesting material things or external circumstances. It's also about creating a deeper sense of fulfillment and purpose in your life. When you align your thoughts and beliefs with your true desires, you create a reality that is in alignment with your highest self. This means that you're not just manifesting things or circumstances, but also a sense of inner peace, joy, and purpose. When you're living in alignment with your true desires, you feel a sense of fulfillment that goes beyond material possessions or external accomplishments. To apply the law of assumption to your own life, it's important to start by getting clear on your true desires. Ask yourself, what do I really want in life? What brings me joy and fulfillment? Then align your thoughts and beliefs with those desires. Visualize yourself living the life you truly desire, and focus on the positive emotions and feelings that come with that reality. When you're living in alignment with your true desires, you'll find that life flows more easily, and you're able to tap into a deeper sense of purpose and fulfillment. So, if you're ready to create a life that is in alignment with your highest self, start applying the law of assumption today. The law of assumption is not just a theoretical concept. It's a practical tool that you can use in your everyday life to create the reality you desire. One of the most powerful ways to apply the law of assumption is through the use of affirmations. Affirmations are statements that you repeat to yourself in order to reinforce a positive belief or desire. By repeating affirmations regularly, you can start to shift your thoughts and beliefs in a more positive direction and create a reality that reflects those beliefs. To create affirmations that are truly effective, it's important to focus on the positive aspects of your desires. Rather than affirming what you don't want or what you lack, focus on what you do want and what you already have. For example, instead of saying, "I don't want to be alone," You could say, I am surrounded by loving and supportive relationships. When you focus on the positive aspects of your desires, you create a reality that reflects that positivity, and you're more likely to manifest what you truly desire. So, if you're ready to start using affirmations to apply the law of assumption in your life, start by identifying your desires and then crafting affirmations that reinforce those desires in a positive way. Visualization is a powerful tool for manifestation that can help you tap into the law of assumption in a more profound way. When you visualize yourself already living the reality you desire, you create a powerful, energetic connection with that reality, and you send a message to the universe that you're ready to receive it. Visualization can also help you cultivate a deeper sense of gratitude and appreciation for the blessings you already have in your life, which can in turn attract more blessings to you. To start using visualization as a tool for manifestation, it's important to first get clear on your desires. Once you've identified what you truly want, take some time each day to visualize yourself already living that reality. Close your eyes and picture yourself in that reality in as much detail as possible. Engage all of your senses to create a vivid and realistic image of what it would be like to live that reality. As you visualize, feel the emotions that come with living that reality: joy, gratitude, fulfillment, and so on. By engaging your emotions and senses, you create a powerful, energetic connection with the reality you desire, and you send a clear message to the universe that you're ready to receive it. The law of assumption can be a powerful tool for overcoming limiting beliefs and self-doubt. When you start to believe that you are capable of achieving your dreams and desires, you create a reality that reflects that belief. But if you hold on to limiting beliefs or doubts, you may unknowingly create blocks that prevent you from manifesting your desires. By using the law of assumption to shift your beliefs in a more positive direction, you can start to release those blocks and create a reality that reflects your true potential. To use the law of assumption to overcome limiting beliefs, start by identifying the beliefs that are holding you back. These may be beliefs about yourself, your abilities, or the world around you. Once you've identified those beliefs, challenge them by looking for evidence to the contrary. For example, if you believe that you're not good enough to achieve your dream job, look for evidence of times when you have succeeded in similar situations. By focusing on the evidence that supports a more positive belief, you can start to shift your thoughts and beliefs in a more positive direction. With time and practice, you can start to release those limiting beliefs and create a reality that reflects your true potential. The law of assumption can be a powerful tool for personal growth and transformation. By using this law to shift your thoughts and beliefs in a more positive direction, you can create a reality that reflects your true potential and supports your growth and development. As you continue to apply the law of assumption in your life, you may find that you become more confident, more resilient, and more capable of achieving your goals and dreams. To use the law of assumption for personal growth and transformation, it's important to approach it with an open mind and a willingness to change. Start by identifying the areas of your life where you want to grow and improve. Then use the law of assumption to shift your thoughts and beliefs in a more positive direction, focusing on the possibilities and opportunities that are available to you. As you start to see positive changes in your life, you may find that you become more motivated and inspired to continue growing and evolving. With time and practice, the law of assumption can become a powerful tool for creating the life you truly desire and for unlocking your full potential. Thank you for watching this video on the law of assumption and how it can help you manifest your desires. We hope that you found this information helpful and that you're ready to start applying the law of assumption in your life. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on personal growth and development. In our next video, we'll be diving deeper into the law of assumption for beginners. We'll be exploring some practical techniques and exercises that you can use to start applying this powerful law in your life right away. So if you're new to the law of assumption, or if you're looking to deepen your understanding and practice, be sure to tune in to our next video. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.